saga ebido baby because aga ma jugwa ha ji buru mu Ghana Igbo Arusha because I need to saga that Arusha first of all. Any me saga ya very very well. Any wa hold that useless Oshishin, you know, that Oshishi. Any dreamy but saga that one first of all. I go saga that Arusha. When I'm done sagaring that the passion Arusha, then I go fix Jpac. After Jpac, I go face Governor who knew she died. That's thinking courts. But these people, when I see them pretend to be good, yeah, now say go name now say wash. Let him come and swear with that is useless Shadamite. If Ogechi, I'm lying against him, Yarubo Sondo share Sana gonna port. Sana touch and follow. Abaragi did not make you rich. That way got Sana gonna port. I need to make bad to Shishi war. I need to make by a war. Make sure no otu Shishi here. Buy a hand up for war. Buy a home say and Ndobontu can get the no Shishi. I need to saga that thing. I need to vote your own two spiritual here. Come here. Come saga first of all. I need to make saga that Banjiri Kunyo that Banjiri Kunyo ke Ariba daha that Chimaribu Banjiri Kuta abara wike kutu other abaras. They don't want to come and I'm not sure he mentioned their names anymore. Now, Abrande caution up one and down. Those prostitutes all over the Mola Amaho that on your one and the one Ibeano, yes, they respect Roma. Hey, Susunu Sa aw one or tunga. Yalu ke yalong yalu ya keza ha ori afọ nkwo na na otu nwoke. Eme ya shigi ba na top pressure gi nenu mi henja banchara abale a ana me negi henja bancha na me ru umu wan oge yene henja bancha o onye dibi unu chimari ni na otu kanga anaga ipu nne ya ebe ya shigi onye nenu mi henja ba okwene chu umu wan ado feel ya chod wo ja bancha very promiscuous dibi ama hu be no wa just the kiwi they can be a corona abale. They can shot choga acquire to Hokuruba, a huru. Cheneke Bopando. I go get Alama. Yauro Shishi. Cheragma Pianga Piahibo Shingo Bala. Ma Piahuma that Shingo Bala. This time when you broom Jana site Yashabalagala for this woman. Next time, I'm on an environment of that useless Irish. Sure, no, oh, Dimo, or Chahum put a life for today. But on them man of baby, you know. Nala yo, I'm not going to reasons so I will not leave Jpac. By line, that's the reasons I told him I will not leave Jpac. I start charging for taking me to Arushoga Basaga. No, I want a saga material. I want a lot of them. I just show my video. After all, wanted. I'm not coming back. When Gam Kasagana Kodo, Ngama Gabe Nigeria, Makamana Mission, Barama him. Ririmara is Christmas. Ririmara is Christmas. Look, I'll tell him Saga in Yoba. Elegonia Budime said this more. Why you go remain accept number one? Henga kuwa dibia ho nishi that's one dibia. Henga kuya nishi next time oga mana dibia na wana saga. Henga kuwa dibia ho nishi that useless you okoro bia geje choro no garu ya na esusu are. Henga kuwa that one dibia shi next time ya fala ho nya Ogechi aba. Huna that one dibia. Aga ma kunkucha gi nku Henga cooking nishi na saga ama cooking ama kuf agagente nishi. Next time when you see somebody like Ogechi Abola Gia, he got those useless, two jobless men. Those hopeless, or to rime, or to agadwado. One is pregnant, Nabafaya Jitukru, Yana bele face, Yana face that aloshe. Very hopeless thing. You belong to Jangadi Biafra upon you. Or one of the Shaji can't forget. You're facing the Oshishi. You just reject forget na rose. Look at your belly there. Chere iga no there. Ramona, you just reject forget na rose. Show get chiki reject rose. Who was facing the Aroshi? Your belly? Who was facing the Aroshi? I forget. Without for Doshian, Chere kept walk bagokun. Ijimu J security be another portal. Beme rubbish incantation. Anum Pama. Uluzo J the secret tibia. J one place then about secret tibia. Basic pota. Una ex-convict here. That abusu. That is why you can never win anything. You are a failure. You failed spiritually, physically, and otherwise. And when you are little, igana bagida also contact. Oh, hey bagana. Also contact Kenamba. Oh, Jpac. You the biggest mistake him and whip on Ghana Nukuharoshe. Ah, Chineke. Onye Baraki, who sent you? Who sent you? That was the biggest mistake of your life. I will make sure I operate that your stomach. Oya gonna serve that arose. Because you can we shall see to the end of this arose. Mine who got operations, emergency surgical operation. I forgot that's how you can never have peace. Gonna ex-convict. Abraham should go maka go to that. That's but I did not see it. Thunder Mabukwe Ginaya, two jobless old fools. On a boss of contacts. Oh, je duaregi, onya pare. Now, ndala. Me. Yeah, Jpac told me, and that's why I'm posting a lot of videos. Jpac told me and told others too. On I make an onion on a Meggy. Jpac told me and told many. Yes, I'm no longer the only one Jpac told. Yes, I am Poster than many others. I'm not even doing it. All my admins are everywhere. I've sent them an errand. Shinwa, go and look for who else Jpac told. Yeah, Jpac told many. Now a lot of people are beginning to manifest. A lot of people are beginning to showcase. Now they have stand up to speak the truth, because majority of you guys are cowards. You can't talk. You can't speak because you want to protect an interest of, maybe he will help me promote my page. I wasn't the only one Jpac told. Many told has been told him, and many told has been coming. We must continue to review the secrets. Ndala. He told me. You can open a page called Jpac told me. If it's not even interested. Jpac told me. It has become a trending name. Yes, you all Ogechi Okeke trend, believe it or not. Jpac told me has started to trend. Because one of my admin me pay him that page to where? Because page now is 60 days now. Jpac told me. Finally, Jpac okuro. Jpac okuro. Yeah, he told me. Lala. Try march on dengue web here. Then I will go this saga here. Won't dog. We are just not Padorogog. Dala. I'm not the only one Jpac. He told many of us. Allah, Jpac told me. People say Madam Jpac told me. Mama like, yes, I answer it to my futures. And he has been telling others as well. Allah. This is them Madam Jpac told you. Is it not the truth? Is it not the truth? Jpac. Yes, it's my name. Jpac told me. Let me open the page now. See, it will take 60 days to start working. Facebook, I'm one of different thing. Maybe I shouldn't follow that page. Jpac told me. Ndala. That's become a trend name. Jpac told me. Gama himself. Jpac told me. I mean, the page. Yana making anya. Jpac told me. You know where good. Ndala. You know what the time on. What I'm time on. Madam Jpac told me, my balagazi. Oh, I'm sorry, the network is not pleasant enough. It's not connecting. You might, I'm not brand the Jpac can sign any endorsement to lie, and when anybody Jpac, I'm a two brand down, so you know, Ununa Gana Rofi, Gana Bundem Matu. Is that what your brand represents? Janaka Boba come, Ibrabi Coinye. Ogi told me. Now you told me, no be Jpac again. Answer. But come on, answer. Jpac can ask I'm beside up the Baramibe, lock all you inside. Where were you all? Eh? Maybe I could win beside up the Barami, Ndala. Ndala. Na Koiri. I'm in a network and I'm trying to add all of you. Bound Jpac in a destination, I'm imbecile. Some idiots and some useless woman shower that Wumbuha is questionable. Eburiana garage, ya get empire, a potara, Bagbani, a Kaka dem, a potara, Biagin, Nageta, a potara, Biagari, and I believe here. And you think, no, but on your rock of Funanian, and a Bapianaka. Whoever stand to fight Ogechi for no reason, I will come for you in any way that I can use my tools. And when I want, I saw this is my second time of seeing her video. I'm on a book arena chora here. Dika Igbo one I know here that's talking rubbish. Why must I? Would you tell me how to fight my fight? One useless girl, mama born ano. Come on, Gane Lomo ya. I cannot do his shit. The keep Wonyara. In my Wonyara na twisting. I don't know whether some people are there. Ogechi will come for you. She started talking rubbish. I don't have your time. There's some people I pick, but you're just a stamp. You're just a pass by. I don't get your time. You're just useless as Mahishigi Lukuru. You're just a useless thing that don't have nothing to offer. You want to go? Iba saga just to promote you. I target my saga. I don't saga anyhow. You want to go? Iba saga, but you know you are the one I'm referring to. You are just like a hopeless thing that lost your sense of belonging. You don't reason. You just want to talk because you want to belong in one page, one another. And you decided to open your page to make money. In the of my class, in all ramifications. People of my class, about my class. You are below people I respond to. Sometimes I do condescend to some people level to saga them, to tell them that a old soldier never die. But for you, I can't. You're too low to the lowest. I mean, Ebola low, low, 6 feet. So I ain't got your time, bitch. Fuck off, jello muge. You try up by Ishigi, or try again me up Jamaica because Ishigi rip Onyara. That's the first time I figured where you are. You know? You're sure shameless woman. I am Negi bonus was shameless because I have where you started hearing shameless is from Negi. So your mama senior me. What I go? Now classificate. Say when time. Elecha ge nwe heme elete n'ime ọdụ na amụ ikuziga na kuziga gị ọdụ na amụ ikuziga has not turned to kuziela gị so I ain't got your time when time okay I don't got your time what I go na akọ eri na ezuzugharị onye na-apụtakwa ya sị OG like me na saga. Hello? Hello?
Auntie,
Yeah, nwoke mara mma.
Eleke neme.
Nneka kwa ụmụ nwaanyị mma, lekwa ihu gị ji amachaga. Chineke. Ke nwoke ka nwaanyị mma. Chee, lekwa ihu. Ihu rụrụ ka ụkpaka. Ịma na enweghị ka ụkpaka mma. Ịhụkwala ahụ ụkpaka.
Mana eziokwu na
ihu gị tụrụ ka ụkpaka. Where are my single girls? Where ka unu nọ? Ke wee Bonnie Black.
Mba, alụgo nwaanyị.
Alụgo nwaanyị? Mgbapụ ọnụ nọ nke a wụzi njọ ahịa na. Nke a bad market.
Mba, alụgo nwaanyị mụ na nwunye m obi.
Nwaanyị gị ga na-eme njọ yo, ya na-ele gị anya n'ihu like this, ya na-anyụ. Chineke. Nne nwere ụmụ nwaanyị dị ihe n'ọnụ o. My brother carry go, no mind me, Joe.
But I may follow your page. I love that.
Yeah, thank you, my brother.
The one that I put nonsense. Nonsense. Just no mind them. But I can't. You know, I don't want to go Eziokwu my
Jpac told me he has become a brand. Jpac told me he has become a brand.
And we have evidence. So you need not call nonsense.
No.
Everyone in Moyo.
Not Koyeri. Because Kalela one you go.
So I don't know room more than a panel.
Okay. In case man I make a lela you.
So I do. No worries. We are by your side. Nothing maker.
Thank you, my brother.
Open is one pen.
Too small. Too small. Too small.
Boy, and with the Goji. Otherwise, what I shall call.
I got the evidence. I got the evidence.
First stack, I got the girl. I know I'm a weather girl.
First stack, here be a move to Abuja. Aubrey 2 place from first stack, here move to Abuja. First stack, your first location, then you move to Abuja, final location here before you are Lord. First start your first department, yeah.
I'm a man of fatherland. I'm a man of I know the care.
You ask him get accurate. My image on the first like Mark yes.
Onye kugodo the lady gossip all street call.
Mama, she will walk ocean because he mentioned on the first location, yeah. In my shower cast one place, yeah, but go to a new place. Get your now around.
No be we have 1,000 miles away from them. You are more than them. The girl only have the street. Age of 23 years. I'm from China. But only get that kind of a girl. Media
lie. My brother lie. He may divorce so as a brother. Lie.
More you getting. Yes.
Yeah, I don't want 23 years.
I'm
because
lifestyle like I want you almost.
Yes.
Oh,
As to train your children. As to train your children.
They are just flat for where you are.
Yes, so sister, the actual thing be say, something. What evidence is like this thing?
No evidence. That's the problem. Wait.
On what hot? Okay.
Na-esi aka one man just amamụ ma ọ dibịa ka ọ gịnị the man na-ekwu that na Jpac ihe niile sister Ogechi kwuru Jpac gwara everything. So what is the way again?
Tell my brother, the same man go through when he needed a quorum, not by our the same man go also to the man the picture, everyone are tired, so not only jump.
The Baba de medical.
Long time na watch that guy. And when you do good enough, so even looking for Obi and Zion, and then I say, can you not get Zion in it? Yeah, we can basically with that time. Me and my boys them that now want to like Zion and can't. I say, fuck. Yeah, we took them that time. Oh, them. So do you need to be get because is the only mother. No man, I Zion, I follow you and I bono. They make you. Oh man, I know mother. Upon no, mother. So when you Lebedo Kogana, I from the Kogana, should be darker. Now we're not going to or maybe Ike Aganina in a dinner woki be when I will pull no queen in our coin also. Give me
OP. In that you OP. I just the reasons of things only cool. Because to be a man, not just like one man. To be a man, but they prove that if you're a man, make a point, you forget about the rest. Tell me about this guy, you what do you mean in nature? I was
next year, I said that now because no one do data Ogechi because I get the data.
That one, my brother, that was a fake way much church.
No, I woman. So, in a thing as yes, we don't want to details Ogechi because I will take
some of my followers are now okay, when you get Jpac information, share, please listen. Listen to me. Anybody will get information. And with that correct man of bro Ogechi. Number one, even if you get the information, you can't do shit. I don't carry my address. When I say when I get people waiting here, and what would they? I'm shocking. You say no matter, I'm not trying to matter here. One of the two persons say put on Ogechi. Okay, put on one my about ticket to get Texas. No, not the house now, boy. Yeah, she about 1911. She now when somebody brought the house. No, this is a public place that anybody can come in. I got one person need to go no. If I release secret in the about her, but information out for 6 years. I did not release it. The day putere na blue app. Yeah, mama, about tickets. Yes, I got babu na dim. Hey, how about do my Mama ticket, Ghana, Michigan. Oh, no, for night travel. Now this is why you one on.
Okay. Imana, yesterday night. Now you love
you be 5 boy. You know the conkiru,
Okay, no man. Yesterday night, I'm no longer here. Yeah, watch a video Jpac. you don't pay attention in that video. You might video how you shake up little bit. You might about Gafa.
Hey.
You watch you pay attention in that video.
I'm here.
Kahara Bundeli Lele Abizu. But the one you Afa.
Yes.
I don't say they will on Afa. So that video, pay attention to that video. Oh, you Afa that video. That means all the guilty.
Man, I'm gonna that's all.
No, but okay, Afa. If you are sure that you could be Eziokwu, no one you are one year, then why not to mention them boldly? Go and watch that
video.
Now, you know he lied.
I'm not sure about Afa. I don't show you. That is the main thing.
Because you watch a video on Okwu Afa. I don't see Kahara Bundira Bizuzu. Say what exactly one year Ogechi Okeke.
I don't sit on Pampe. Can I sit on Pampe?
Jpac, you not get any talk. Also, I don't say, Adam Makego. My question is this. Jpac, you need to go on 5,000 years. Why?
My sister, I told me connect to get from so that thing I got yesterday. I got that thing for war Guinea and Abasaga Guinea and Aba. You got that thing go people name Bugari all his names around Fianaro. No Jaquan over a paraboya over that. Oh, for people like us in a Kuku Koga. Monomana nonsense. Yes. Oh, like Andrea, you don't have a Kuku Koga, not for you. I ain't going to mana network again. Maybe network is agents with that money.
Since dog, I will cook Basara and my budget before we were here. Mana toast you cook or S or Koya, which everywhere. I don't.
No, one case with somebody. I'm an Ogechi Jpac even in Nigerian police. I can see Ogechi versus Jpac.
Exactly.
I want to do that. Okay, do I see more Jpac?
That is Ogechi.
Thank you.
People who don't know. Video connect new done that thing now. Even the guy I'm on it. Jpac to come these days. When you see this
Joe ex-girlfriend Jpac. Konye bu oya nwoko Jpac chori ire oto.
Jpac abụrụ ezigbo mmadụ. Yeah, can answer that. Time mmadụ, his time has come.
Lose a lot of followers. I'm telling you.
What ihe na-apịagodi 2x2 na-apịagodi ebe weather dị nke abụrụ dị kapịnta kụrụ. Weather dị eji ọkụ gba nke na. Onye ọbụla ya na-emekọrọ ihe, anybody ọbụla ya na-emekọrọ ihe now.
ọ na-erite ihe n'aka before n'oge ọ na-erite ihe n'aka obido tọmasie enyi ọ na-enwezi ihe ị na-enye kpọtọba yi. That's all.
Jpac.
Which is very bad.
Let's discuss about this. Who is Jpac? Who's Jpac? Let's start this.
Nobody come. I'm one of them go to the relevant to society. Honestly,
Let me tell you something. Jpac was a one-time a bricklayer. He used to be on block work also. If not this, my brother, American paper Facebook, all these people are not, they are nobody.
No, my brother, the truth is that now we break work is not a problem. Everybody got through something to become somebody.
You got the brick work when you actually know go dogu.
I'm not saying
I
something. Who is this person? Jpac, and what is her name?
What is her name at all? It's be a jabonye.
My brother, listen to me now, eh? Look at my face. Look at my face. I was a policeman in Nigeria, in Abuja. I don't have identity, my height. You hear me? So I come from somewhere. Even a government, when I'm in Abuja, I'm on Yembo. Na police. I
live in Jpac. I get back to Jpac.
It's a nobody.
Foreign to now, it is not about to carry the big man in Nina. Every big man in Nina.
My brother, Jpac now connecting them matter. Why? He's a hookup guy.
You can hook up. You can make a hook up. No, okay, and you can make hook up. We know my uncle Kata.
I don't know. I rejected after
Ogechi, Jpac on live video. Jpac, don't do to the when I'm Yembo. Jpac to us, that one that you remember why hook up. Yeah, we're not banning do to that one.
Jpac when he came to Madanaro, but some of Jpac is from Madanaro. Besides, only the other go to my brother. Out of Milk and Otan Jogi. To Aros Boga, to Arson, Ebunia Kedota. Before I was in the mother, that boy not so going to go even to the country correct that money and Jogi. Also, there's nothing like that. Okay, we're trying now. There's nothing like that. That guy just like, oh, we can book on our camp. Jpac goes to the corner.
No,
there's nothing like that.
My brother,
identify you one more. No, but some of the mother saying I got to get out. To that's if Bosabani for now, we're up to you. What do you the car of things like? When it should be, you got to go and actually not so now, boss. Come on, the man who want encourage that you money has a very good mother. Come on, but some of the mother got second author can out. One day, you have not to take there's nothing like ours. More than good. We've been through those things.
My brother,
we've been until it's not 17 because there's nothing like arrows. I'm telling you.
My brother, hold on. Imana the same ex-convict. Governor Onyoshi. Oboroko. Imana young one. Now put an outguanishi. Any person get a money here, Ghana, Aroshi. That organ, now the person is the guilty. Any
only send him every doctor Ogechi Okeke can the word and nonsense. There's nothing like arrows. So Chubana person. Give him arrows 100. June. And I told Madanaros in the politicians saying in Academy not bad. And I told Madanaros in the big man in I didn't that bad. You're going to Madam as a mother. Now forget that. Yeah, you
there's no such.
That's nothing like that. I'm telling people, what do you have like Arrow say from Marco? Ọrụ mmadụ tinyere ebe ahụ.
mmadụ na onwe
Mmadụ tinyere ya dị ya. A na-asị arụsị bụ arụsị gịnị?
Jpac destroy many people business.
Nna that guy useless go people's career a lot. A lot.
Take a hit. He tried to bring that guy down. What about Ayanando? So that man later is white.
Nke ọ megoro ọ chụpụgo nke ahụ achụpụ na bọọlụ na eke hit just dịrị onwe strong. Ọya ka o ji wee ka nọdụ.
Eke hit gwara ese na ọ ya emecha ya nwa ya emecha ya ọgwa na eke hit ka ọwụ. Eke hit ọnụ ka o ji ma afọ eke hit alaki ma ọsụ ka ọ na-emere anya jisi ike. Alaki ma eke hit ghọtago. Ọ dị mba ọ dị ebu ihe n'obi otu o si ekwu ka ọ dị. I like that guy so much, so let's just close eke hit chapter ghọtago. Na mebe ihe ọ na-eme akpịa ka ọ na-achụ onye na wee ya. Erie ya life. All business ya ka ọ bụ. I will never block his way, so ọ shop ya ka ọ nọ na so onye chọrọ ya gaa nwanne ekwute ụgwọ.
Eziokwu nwanne
Ya na ndị na-ekwu
ayọma na-ere onwe ya. Any people na-agwọ ọgwụ, you know, they show himself on social media.
For what? For waiting now. Social media again.
Don't show himself on social media.
Enwe dibia enwe na Nigeria kịta. Ndị arapụtara shọbịa ndị ọdibia. Ndị ahụ dibia ha awụ. Ndị a celebrity dibia ka a na-akpọ ha.
Ọya ka ndị so na hapụrụ anyị eke hit biko ka ọ na-emere anyị show na-emere anyị biko.
Eke hit si na ekotuola ọgwụ ya na
Jpac sị gị o nwere ndere gị na comment. Jpac sị gị na o nyere gị 4 days dezi onwe na si nsi ịwọ eke hit part 2. Eke hit ọgwụ na 4 days. Jpac enyegoro agwọ eke hit na 4 days.
Eke hit wee content creator hapụrụ ya biko.
No, I love that guy so much biko. Si hapụrụ eke hit aka biko ka ọ na-eme ihe na-aga.
Ogechi mee peace with Ogechi.
Ọjụ. Ọ jụrụ ajụ.
Mụ na ya nwee peace. Oke ọ na-eme peace that ọ ga-agachi na agbara ahụ ga-atụgharị.
Nna agwa ga-agbara ahụ jere ga amasị ka o jere bubu ya na.
Peace mụ na ya ga-eme.
Nne forget ya, ọ na-ekwutezi n'akwụkwọ isi a nonsense ka ọ sị gị na o jere ka o tie people fear na-arụ ka a ghara ị na-ebugharị videos ị na-ebugharị afọ ya na-akpa. Jpac is nothing. Ọ bụrụ gị ka sị gị na ndị na-ebu vidiyo ka m na-ekwu ka o tie people fear na-arụ. Ọ nwere na people na-emepega anya.
Onwe one lady na-eme ihe eze nwaanyị Jpac bupụtara na social media dọọ nwaanyị ahụ
Chioma na nwa ya na ọsọ nwaanyị Imo Chioma nwaanyị Imo Chioma nwaanyị Imo
afọ mmadụ ọ bụ Jpac
onye ọmmadụ enigwe pele face
naanị ihe m requestịrị Jpac gaa mee otu la gị examine.
Gịnị dị na mmadụ ikwu I'm sorry ị dara onwe gị na-egbu.
Ebe m expect inwe iyi si ọ bụrụ na nwe
ọ gaghị
ọnọdụ ihe ahụ onye m chọrọ ịnụ mana n'ụjọ m ya. That's the only thing chọrọ ka that day.
Ọ na-ekwu ụjọ ka o jere itinye people na-arụ ka akwụsị ikwu maka ya. O nwere ihe ọya bụ there nonsense. He just wanted to put fear in people's faces.
Uche ụjọ ya pere mpe enweghị onye a izo nobody.
Gọvanọ Eziokwu nchekwa na adịmala ma ya mara na onye a bụ nonsense ma na Jpac ka onye ha mmasị.
Onye ma ihe
ọ sị ga-ejezi na arụsị dịrịzie mmadụ jebe na arụsị.
egwu niile ọ na-akụ bụ copyright.
The great Shaddamite. Ama m na nwere ihe dị Shaddamite n'ime.
Indirectly, you watch that guy. Ọ ji nwe withdraw ya ebe ọ chọghị na-akpọzi ya afa. Ọ ji gị na-akpọ Jpac.
Ọ duru ya gaa n'arụsị. Ọ duru ya gaa na dibịa. N'ala anyị.
Ọ chọghị na-akpọzi ya afa. Ọ chọghị Jpac buru dị ibu.
ọjọọ sị na-agbazi lekaleka maazị na ọya gaba n'iru ka ọya gawa azụ nye nwasịsị ka agba wụọ ọkwa ya nwasị ka ọ pụtazi ka ọ gbaa wụọ ụbọchị ọ bụla oge pụtara online na ọ pụta online ebe ka ọ na-agbara kịta ebe ka
ọ
ga-agba gị wụọ anụ mpama
Jpac onwe ebe orugulo Ogechi ewi salary ya ị ga-ahụ eluigwe for 1 week.
nwanne m atala m ahụhụ
ihe ọzọ a ga-eme a ga-achụ bịa kama na emezi dịka wickedness nwere ka a ga-adịkwu ihe ntara ikwu ka anyị merie ebere nwoke anabakwa
Jpac oge ọ na-ekwu okwu mgbe na-achọ dị enwe vidio m na-achọ na fon ma ọ bụ na dị food anọt na fon ọ na ọ na aka masị ka $7 Ogechi ọ ya-eji o mere ọ emechisi ọrụ na that vidio a mana achọgidego m that vidio afọ m that vidio m ka na-achọ ya ọta dị vidio m menyeghị ya ihe otu kwuru ma mmadụ about four people I know them. 4 people. Amacha mfa mana ama akpọ nwoke na-akpọ the guy sị m dat na enwe vidio ọbụla o jisi mana mụ ejicha m odozi vidio
nwa Mr. Ibu mere ka you are looking for somebody to release you. Come on. Nwa Mr. Ibu mere ka
nwaanyị maka hapụ unu gawa na n'iru ka na-eguzi ege
na apụ onye enweghị onye ahụ sisi oge apụ onye ahụ nọnsensị enweghị onye ahụ enweghị oji onweghị ego ka o nwere ego o ji esọvaịvụ onye ndị mmadụ na-enye enweghị ihe ọya sị na anyị ọ na-eme oji enweta ego
ịma mgbe ọ mere wedin ya ka atụtara ya ego
yes ya ka o ji nwunye ji na-asị na nwunye odogwu ka ọ naghị arụ ọrụ ị naghị arụ ọrụ oke
gị mara ndị adụ shọt amamezi shọt arụrụ ndị adụ shọt amụ ha na-epe mpe eziokwu
Bono nke ya wụ afọ ya narachara ya mụ ya afọ ya narachara ya mụ ya
ihe a bụ eziokwu ndị adị shọt ọ na-epe mpe
afọ ya narachara ya mụ ya ọ na-achọkwa ndị niile dị shọt o some men dị shọt amụ ha na-ebute
oge na ala nwoke ọ dị shọt ama epere mpe
ndị mma pere mpe eziokwu ndị mma pere mpe ndị mma pere mpe eziokwu
Jpac everywhere m na-ebe ị nọ Jpac n'ebe igwe na-ara nwaanyị m na-adị ebe ahụ ka m dọgbuo redi because ọ bụ maka ọ na-agwa okwu ahụ Jpac na-echere egbe igwe nna anyị ukwu
Yeah, don't feel good evening, everybody. Yeah, don't feel your brother from Muslim. All right, don't feel very despaired or what Jpac went to do in that. Should I call it a tree or firewood or whatever? I don't know what to refer that. That is. Nothing. You know, it was kind of an act, like a plot. You know, anytime you see Governor Eziokwu or Eziokwu around him, just know there's a plot. He plotted, yes.
There is nowhere to park.
But if that guy with him, they've plotted something is cooking. They just want to go and act, probably a movie or a scene. And that was what they did that day, just to, imagagi. But please don't feel, you're a stentorian, you're outspoken, and they are feeling,
My
they are
brother,
feeling
you know, you ain't come on like anybody battle here and okay, don't panic, don't feel, can't get away me way. You what I go?
I
I'm like here,
don't use the word panic.
and I know they
No,
like
no, no,
them.
no, no. Don't
You
worry.
know?
Don't worry. I not go use the
Eh,
word panic. I
don't
trust you.
use okay, don't let it bother on and man like here. Just so you put like Pume Jpac, Puma Baraya, Pume ex-convict. And you know like that Eziokwu does get them. I know they like him at all. Because it does not even work. You want to
Yeah.
go?
It doesn't count. Yeah, it doesn't amount to
It doesn't
anything.
amount
It
to
doesn't.
taking.
It doesn't.
You want to go?
Nothing.
The only thing I see that na onye a enwe onye ọwụ, that's all. Gịnị na-abụ enwe orudu slippers ịgba n'ọkpa sef.
As now social media, send me that Mariala Mado.
That is the problem. Ọnọdụ ka nna ya ukwu Ebuka Obi ọ sị that onye goro data 5 rand or 5 naira ọ pụtazi ọsọ Ebuka Obi because ị na-ekwu okwu ị mara level yi, you must know your level. Mana gị na ha na-emechi.
Achị oge ekelekwa m gị.
My brother,
Ekelekwa m gị.
Onwekuku, Alpha.
Daalụ biko. Hapụ ime awụrụ ahụ akwa taa ka o si na-akọtọ chọọchị. Bikọs ọbịa ya achọ ka chọọchị chọrọ ya ego. Chọọchị ọbụla na-achọ ọrụ ya ego ya achọwa nke ọ na-akọtọ. Chọọchị ọbụla. Yes, ọ na-eme na chọọchị ọbụla na-achọ ọrụ ya ego ya achọwa nke ọ na-akọtọ. Lekwa otu ihu na anya dị ugbu a.
Awụnanụ chọọchị ma ndị mmadụ ihe a na-enye ya ego ka isi enye ya ego ọkọtọba yi.
Yes.
Chọọchị.
I swear. Lee otu ihu na anya dị lee otu ihu na ebe o mechara ga mekute chọọchị a na-akpọ Living Christ. Chọọchị n'ọrụ were ya ga megide daman dati ya ya megide ya ugbu a ka ihe ọdịda ya ga-eru. Ọdịda ya ga-eru. Yes, na nke na kwere na ọ bịara na-akụ eri na ebe chọọchị ahụ nọ. Ebe a ka ihe ọdịda ya bịara. Yes, na ebe a ka ihe ọdịda ya bịara ya riwu ugbu a na ihe ọdịda ya ga-eru. Before you know it, oluko ya kalụkọ na Facebook again. Before you know oluko ya kalụkọ. I tell you, chọọchị ahụ na kwere na so ihube Facebook ya ka ọ na-akụ eri.
Asụbekwe m ka oge ọ bụ Sky akpọgbukwe okere Sky wụ ochere Sky wụ na
which day ka ọ kọgheri nke a?
This year na last 2 months ka ọ kọgheri that last 2 months.
Asụbekwe m ka
o techi tupu ijere ma o teke ete bụ ote akụkọ esi bakwa dị imekwa eziokwu.
ọ blọkgo m akpọkasịrị m eyi arọ blọkọ m akpọkasịrị m iyi ọ blọkgo agbakara m ya arụ sedat na ihe mgbe data esi ya chekwa ihe abụ ahụ ma eziokwu na aga na n'ike yi ile n'ike oge eri ibido ihe
na-achọ oge na-ekwusa ebe m na-elewu mgbe ọlụ na-akpụta dọkịta ike ahụ dị m mkpa eziokwu asụwe
na time you know you video you
very important.
Okay, when I saw a video you pass or block
Ogechi fake account agari. Email comment if you comment something that is not okay. Ogechi fake account or be on your page or they RIP to you. Yeah. I'll be on my page. On my picture.
On this thing. Jacob Jpac said, "We can banana talk. What's in the kuso says? I can make
everything is getting to me.
But ebe Sky ihe kwuye ero I swear to God.
I am you, Papa. So, to know what Ebukobi na-eme ebere. Ebukobi na-eme ebere. It's kind of pay ebere. It's kind of care. Even we can I got toilet for years. It's kind even no one can make a toilet for years. It's kind
every blessing, every prayer of blessing that Evangelist Ebuka Obi prayed on JPAC is now turning into a curse, because you can't fight anybody who God is happy with. And to get like this now, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is very happy at heart with her, and you are fighting her. Every blessing is going to turn into a curse.
Onye ọbụla na-enye ya ego ya agbawa ya wụọ, ọ chọrọ ego. Onye ọbụla na-enye ego ya agbawa ya wụọ.
A generational curse.
Yeah. Picture. I could join with the right, with the courts.
Yeah. That was a great
when we walk. Madam, no. I'm video with some video. Oh, one girl man I got touch in sky. I can send her go see in sky. I know master send her kita na makachi na I'm 5 months or 2 months. If na JPAC has a okwu again. I'm telling you.
I swear to God. JPAC
is under pressure already. All the good under pressure already. He knows. He's under pressure.
Ihe niile m fọkọsịrị mgbe ọlọ ga-ekweta na ọ ga-akpọ dọkịta ya, ike ahụ ihe m na-achọ ka m nekọrọ otu chiere onye. Awọdị ihe ọzọ m na-achọ ọkwa ike ahụ.
No, ike ahụ ike contact. Ike contact.
Ike ahụ ihe m na-achọ si iso ka m nwere otu chiere onye o.
Ike contact.
Di na-agba asawo, nwunye na-agba asawo, ọ na-agba asawo nwoke, nwunye na-agba asawo nwaanyị. Ifugole na ndala otorogbo bukwe fa idiot.
I swear to God.
JPAC has incurred reputational damage on himself already. All his reputational damage.
Because send my WhatsApp number because.
Send them your WhatsApp number.
3 months, only I got to see again. How come when it's kind of living Christ mission? No, not for it.
I can tell you now.
Can my WhatsApp number?
Send them the WhatsApp number. You got to download the video. Send there again.
Plus 234. Then it's here 084.
Okay.
Kapora
I have your inbox to come and tackle you.
Send them an inbox. Send them an inbox to go to Mwa. Give them an inbox. My
brother, they your page number here. They your page number. You can comment it here. Come on.
Okay.
WhatsApp number here. Can happy. Call it.
And so watch all your followers. Watch everybody who has been on your defense. Very organic followers. Very natural followers.
Reasonable, responsible.
Are even males. Yeah.
Responsible.
Working class males, but look at go and look at his page. Everybody following him with fake accounts. Fake accounts. So you are just on the right course. JPAC is a child who grew his first tooth and grew a damaged one. He had the opportunity of making peace and he has lost that opportunity. Let him go and study about the war, Israel and Pakistan, Israel and Hezbollah, Israel and let him go and study. There was a time they came, let's make this peace, but at the end of the day, that war till ABAB, that war cannot end. This is seemingly exactly where this is going to now, because he has lost it, and very soon reputational damage he has lost reputations, he has lost relevance, even brand wise. I know all these men he's dealing with. They know it's a conscious thing.
No,
They know they won't deal with him again going
it's over
forward.
that side. When they go, only endorsement on an answer.
They know,
New
they
endorsement
know,
now.
of course.
Business here is going down.
Uh, this war is not going to end
And they are
anytime
getting
soon.
a generational
It's
war
not going
now.
to end. Yeah, it's not going to end. Let him go and look at Israel. It's not going to end anytime soon. Because the moment is ending.
Okay. Only move from Mama Nigeria this packing. I don't have any other choice. This is crazy. I don't understand people. People don't come to how they cannot work on the Insta. Sorry. I just have to manage this one because there is no place to park.
It's not Nigeria, actually.
Just have to park here. Make sure I'm parking for over 50, getting to 15 minutes now.
You won't go now.
All right, guys. I'm gonna bye bye, and I gotta go to work. Bye.